Today, I'm going to show you how to cut carrots for American Chopsuey. I have 2 carrots. I have nicely washed it. Now I have to clean it and then start chopping. Let us begin. Now, I'll be showing you 2 methods how to cut it. Let us begin with the first method. This is the first carrot which I'm taking. First, let me discard the root region and then this to be separated. Now let us start peeling the skin. Now the carrot is peeled and ready. Now let us start the cutting. This is a very straight way of cutting. If you have any chopping machine, you can chop it according to the design shape. But now let us collect it. I have finished chopping. This is the second carrot. So like the previous carrot which I have done, I have removed the bottom and top portion and nicely peeled off the skin and kept it ready. This is going to be into big chips. So I will show you the method how to cut it. First, this is a carrot and we are dividing it into equal halves. Now half of the carrot which I've cut. Now I'll show you how to exactly start cutting. Put vertical cuttings like this. Now let us take each piece and cut accordingly. Now we have 4 pieces like this, and in the similar fashion you can make the cuttings like this. Now you can see how big the pieces are, and let us collect it. This is the first way of cutting in the form of in a circular fashion, and this is the second way of cutting.